Today I'm going to be showing you how to update the color palette on your Showit website. Once you've logged into your Showit account and selected the website design you'd like to work with, you can find your color palette settings under Design Settings on the left-hand side of the dashboard. The color palette settings are for each individual website design rather than your overall Showit account. So each website that you create has its own color palette assigned. The color palette section is made up of a selection of 8 colors in total. When creating your color palette, however, I would recommend only using up to 4 or 5 of the color fields. You want to avoid color overload. Too many colors in your color palette can create confusion. So under the Site Style tab, your color selections can be found at the top of the screen. I generally use the first 4 to 5 swatches for the chosen color palette and leave the final swatch as white. This makes for quick and easy access when I'm selecting page background colors, for example. To update the swatches, all you need to do is click on the swatch and this will open the color selector window. From there, you can either use the color dropper tool or enter the hex code of your selected color. Press OK once the color has been selected and move on to the next swatch. When you're ready, select Save once your color palette swatches have been updated. Now, if you make a mistake, you can always select the Reset button to revert back to the original swatch selections. As you can see, each swatch has been assigned a number from 1 to 8. The number assignment makes it quick and easy to update your color selections across your entire website. To show you what I mean, if we go back to the home page and select the button background, we can access the color settings under Shape Style in the right-hand menu. Clicking on the color swatch will open the palette window where we can select another color from the swatches. So in this case, we can see that number 2 has been selected for this particular design element. If we decide to change the primary color palette at any point, this will update the color selections for the entire website based on these number assignments. Every element that uses swatch number 2 will be updated with the new color selection. Now we can also use the color selector or the hex code field to select an entirely different color in this tab as well. This is something that I would not recommend doing, however. Using too many colors can create confusion, and consistency is key when it comes to creating an impactful visual identity and a high level of professionalism. By sticking with the swatches in your color selection, your website design will look much more cohesive. So here's a little bonus tip. If you found a color you love but you're not sure of the hex code, a free tool called ColorZilla will actually allow you to extract the color code from any website page so you can save it for future use. All you need to do is install the Chrome extension and select Pick Color from a page from the drop-down menu. I'll post the link below.